Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Angie, and today I'm going to show you how to slay the easy way. I am doing a Fire Easy install by Wiggins Hair. This unit is gorgeous. First of all, you can see already coming out of the box the quality. I literally didn't have to do anything with this unit. It was already pre-plucked. The knots were already bleached. Honestly, self-explanatory. You have your clips, you have your combs, and everything was just easy. I wouldn't got a glue. I kind of put a foundation on my cap. I sprayed got to be free spray, and then I went ahead and applied my glue to my hairline. So it's like on my skin, but kind of halfway onto the cap, and went right in. And you're gonna see how quick and easy this install is and how anyone can do this. It's not complicated. The quality of the hair is so gorgeous. My curls are still in my unit, and I have not had to really put any heat on it or anything. I just literally put a bonnet on at night and call it a day, and I'm just in love. The quality, I love it. I will link everything below so you guys can go ahead and check out their website. You can take a look at some of their other units, but this unit will be linked, and everything that you need will be right in the description box. So definitely click the links and just enjoy this install. I know you guys are gonna love it, and thank you guys so much at Wiggins Hair for just hooking me up with quality unit. Like, this unit is gonna last years for sure, and I absolutely love it. So enjoy. So here's the next day, and I'm just showing you guys how the curls are still here intact. The hair does not tangle at all. Literally, I'm coming right through these curls just like this, and it's really, really beautiful. I'm just showing you guys before I even like touch it up. All I'm gonna do is just take like a small section of hair, and I'm just going to wrap it around. And that is the finished product, just like that, nice and easy. It's 24 inches, ready to go, body wave, 7x5 lace closure wig, medium cap size is my cap size, and it's just perfect. Super easy, like I said, straight out of the box. You just kind of like run your fingers to the curls, and you can do whatever. It does not require much work at all, and this is why I love it, because this is the most low maintenance unit I've ever had. I'm spoiled. I love Wiggins Hair, and definitely click the links below, you guys, and check them out. And you will not regret it. You will definitely be impressed. So the links will be below. Thanks so much for liking. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.